Hey tech lovers, in today's video, I'm going to be giving us lectures on how to create a landing page to promote your Amazon affiliate link. As an Amazon influencer, you need to spread your or promote your link to make sales. So I'm going to be introducing you to a free website that you can use to create your link, and that link or the landing page link can link it to your Instagram account. You can put it in your Instagram bio or your YouTube bio, your TikTok account. You can see it with it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be introducing you to this free website or this free link. It's called c8ke.com. As you can see, it says sign up for free. Login. We're going to be doing it together. I'm going to sign up for free. So it says I should claim my name. Let me have my name. So I'm going to continue. So sign up with that or sign up with I'm going to sign up with an email. So my email is my password is being inserted and I'm going to get a code. Let me go to my email and get the code. I'll be right back. So this is the code. I'm going to copy it and I will come back to my. So I got my code and I'm going to copy it here. So paste. Then save create. So now I'm going to save it here and I'm going to log into my account. So let's log into my account. So this is our dashboard. This is our page, the dashboard, influencer program. You can link it to your Instagram account, analytics, and so on. So build your own link in bio. All your C8KE is to be published to the website. If you're an influencer, review your CIP in payment history, gallery wizard, widgets, and Instagram batch. Import Instagram post. Turn non-clickable link to clickable. So this is how you're going to use it. So now I'm going to be clicking on this because we want to create our landing page. So let's beautify our bio. I'm going to click here, my Instagram. I'm going to put my links. My Instagram username is Tech with Bunmi in all the social media. Tech with Bunmi, TikTok, Tech with Bunmi, and on my Facebook pages. Tech with Bunmi. So I'm going to add my socials. It says, if I want to add my YouTube, let me do it. I'll be right back. So I added my YouTube, as you can see, they are all clickable. So now I'm going to put the text here. It's trending. It's like, I'm going to put hashtag, hashtag Amazon. Then disclaimer. Always put a disclaimer. Yeah, if you're an Amazon influencer, have an Amazon as an Amazon influencer, Amazon pays me, Amazon the commission when you purchase using my link. Okay, so that's that about it. So now let's start adding our sample. So sample one, yeah. So we're going to sample one, right? Um, and we're going to add our link here. But before that, I think I cannot save this. Let me quickly write it and I'll be right back. So I wrote trending Amazon must have products. Disclaimer: as an Amazon affiliate associate, Amazon pays me a commission when you purchase with my link. Okay, and I'm going to save it. So I'm going to save it. And the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to come in sample, right? And I'm going to add a new link here. So let's go to our Amazon store. Let me share this. This is a storage that it's good for everyone. If you're affiliate with Amazon, you get this, right? You get this link. If you're not registered or you've not signed up for your Amazon associate program, the link is in the full video link is going to be in the description. So grab it and watch it. So I'm going to get this link. This is my short link and this is a full link. Okay, I'm going to try my first link first. Let's see if it's going to accept that. Copy. When I come to this place, then I'm going to add my link. So I click on top, then I'm going to add my link here. Paste. Right. Let's get the name of the product. This is a plastic basket bin storage. Let's see if it's going to take a copy. I'm going to copy that too. Once you get the picture, let's go snap the picture. Let's go snap the picture. So I come to Amazon back, then I save the picture, save image. Okay, I save the image, and I come back to this place, and okay, and this is the picture, as you can see. So I'm going to do another one. Let's do another one before in this video. This is our Amazon store. Let me see. I'm going to add this to start. So let's get the link. This is the link here. I come back here and I put it paste. Then like I did bottom. You can do the first layer is top, so I'm putting bottom here. I clicked on bottom. As you can see, I'm gonna be doing this. So I'm gonna put the link here. Let's get the name of the products. The benefits. And come back here. Right? Then let's get the picture. I'm gonna save the picture also. Save and that. And come back here. With the picture, as you can see. So let me do two of it before we end this video. So to change our background color to make it beautiful, you come here and you add appearance. So this is our background and cover. Image. Let's see. Let's change the color. Can you see the colors coming up? You can make it more bright, and you can choose any color that you want. You can choose any color that you want here. And to come out nice. So let's go with this color. Go with this color for this training. So save it. So now Let's preview it. This is how it's going to look like. You can add as many as possible that you want, and this is how you're going to share your link. This is my link here, right? So let's go back. This is my link here. Then you can copy it and put it on your status. You can share it on your story. You can create a Pinterest pin, etc. So that's how this this landing page is created. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Kindly let me know if you're going to be using this method for your affiliate links, and kindly leave a nice comment down there. Like, subscribe, and share out this video if you can value. Once again, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.